what's going on with door and lock tips. Oh, I think he's videoing. No, he's editing. He's editing with CapCut. Yeah! Hey guys, get in on the newest video. This one's going to be a barrel lock. Hey guys, hit that like button. You're going to love this brand new video. It's coming up, so stay tuned. Yeah, a barrel lock. Putting it all back together. You're going to love it. Subscribe to my channel, Door and Lock Tips. Yeah! Hurry up and subscribe. Yeah, you know you want to.